Àjíkẹ́, àjíkẹ́. The word jí means to do something early. It basically means to wake up, but in this context, it means to do something very early, to do something as a matter of priority, and to do it regularly. And as for the word kẹ́, it simply means to pamper, to pet, to treat something with care, to care for something. Therefore, Àjíkẹ́ is a daughter to be pampered, to be petted, to be lavished with tender care regularly. This is a child to be daily nurtured like something delicate. Àjíkẹ́, ọmọ tá ń jíkẹ́, ọmọ tá ń fi ìkẹ́ jí. A child to be pampered with intentionality. A child whose petting is prioritized by everyone who knows her, both friends and family. She must be cared for. She must be pampered, not only regularly, but also very early. Wàá ṣeré.